Hi, this is part 2 of installing the AttendoMatic, and I wanted to do this supplement to show you how easy it is to get a copy of your email lists for your classes and get that information in there. So I've already generated the response form and the survey form for the AttendoMatic spreadsheets and Google form. I wanted to point out where these things arrive too. If you roll on down to the very bottom of your root drive, you might find it right down there at the bottom. That's where it seems to generate the response file first of all. I'm going to right mouse click, and I would highly recommend that you move this to a more suitable, organized location. So I've got a place that I can put it inside of courses, and I've got a little folder called attendance and deployment, so I'm going to just move it there. And oddly enough, I think the other form actually populated exactly where I wanted it to. So it's already inside there. Now the next thing we want to do is go get our class lists. So I'm going to go over to the boards apps, and over in the secondary panel I've got something called Student Account Inquiry, and I've logged in so I can go to my school and I can look up any of my classes or anybody else's on staff if you had to help them out. And I'm going to see if I can go find a class of TGJ 3M02 and hit the search button, and you can see you get a nice convenient listing of that. So here's how we are going to get this information into the spreadsheet. Just highlight all the way across here and copy with a Control-C. Go back to your Google Drive, and I'd like to keep things organized, so I'm going to go into my courses and into attendance and into my deployment, and I'm going to make a new spreadsheet there. It doesn't have to be titled, it's only a temporary file. If you do a Control-V and paste, you might get lucky and things will work out just fine. Sometimes a Control-Shift-V will give you better result with less formatting, and you can try that too. And basically what I want to do is I want to get that email column right next to the name column, so I'm just going to click on its heading, drag the whole column on over, and now I can highlight and copy both of those all at once. Copy that. So this is my TGJ3M class. I'm going to go back to my spreadsheet now. This is the form responses. It's the attendance book that I want to start to fix, so I'm going to change the name up here to TGJ3M. And now when I paste this in, I'm going to use Control-Shift-V. Once again, you can always use the right mouse click, use paste special and values only. That does the exact same thing. And I've simplified the name, so it's only last name and first name in one column. And as you can see, I've got extra rows, so yep, I could delete those extra rows if I wanted to, just to clean things up. And that's it. That's populated, and it is going to start working right away as soon as responses start coming in. So to make that happen, let's try one more little trick. Let's go over to the Google Classroom and add the something into the stream that's going to start collecting these things, at least for today. Click on a new message, hit the Add button, go to Google Drive, and go look for your form. And it shows up because it shows the most recent stuff pretty well up front. So I'm just going to double click it like this, send a message, please check in, and when I hit post, the work is done. It'll now start collecting, and you should start seeing people's information popping up here under the appropriate date. That's it. Give it a try for yourself. I hope this makes things easy. Good luck.